Hey, Coleman Alderson here for GardensAll.com. Just showing you a few more hacks that we have as far as frost covers are to help protect our plants over the winter and also into the spring, so we can open up and have a longer season for growing. Again, this is the wire that is a reinforcement wire that you can get at a construction store, Home Depot, Lowe's, places like that. And I've used a lighter weight. This is actually a row cover cloth that's pretty, flimsy. You can see through it and all that, but it still does a great job. And this is for a longer row. And planted corn salad here, up near the top. And this is radicchio, which is a very tasty kind of, it's lettuce-like, forms a little head. And we've enjoyed this all year long through the winter. So,
and we have a nice protected chickweed.
Yep, chickweed's great too.
It's a great substitute. Chickweed's a great substitute for watercress and also arugula. We make a potato leek soup that we can use chickweed for if we don't have watercress or arugula. And we keep it, having it in the bed keeps the dogs away because we have tons of it in our yard that we won't harvest because of dogs, but to have it in the bed is great.